We chase the glow but forget the wall that protects it. When this wall breaks, acne, harsh exfoliation, multiple actives, wrong cleansers, all causes. At Tamira, we follow what we call the save approach. So we soothe the skin. We combine multiple technologies, including IV cocktail therapies, skin barrier code. The glow depends on an invisible wall. This is Dr. Jayanti Ravindran, a board-certified plastic surgeon from Tamira Plastic Surgery. We chase the glow but forget the wall that protects it. When this wall breaks, acne, dullness, rashes, sensitivity all sets in. This skin barrier is a lipid protein film that holds the hydration. Harsh exfoliation, multiple actives, wrong cleansers, all causes tear in this protective skin barrier layer. At Tamira, we follow what we call the save approach. So we soothe the skin, we activate and vitamin boosters, and then we enhance the skin. We combine multiple technologies, including IV cocktail therapy, skin boosters, micro needling, correct actives, and soothing the skin with the best of the mask. A combination of all of this is done to restore the skin barrier so that you have a flawless skin. If you have been concerned about a very sensitive skin and whatever ingredients that you apply on your skin, it causes a breakout or it's burning, then please book a consultation, visit our website www.tamiralife.com. You do not need to come in person. We do teleconsultation and we will help you to formulate the correct skin routine for you, and we will also help you to understand the importance of this skin barrier and how to restore this. For any updates on recent technology or newer introduced products for a glowing skin, please subscribe to our channel. And if any of your friends have taken procedures for skin glow or pigmentation, do not forget to share this video with them. And please share your skin routine protocol that you are currently using in the comments below. And also, if you add a photograph of yours, you can mask your eyes to mask the identity. We will be happy to have a look at your concern, your photograph, and the protocols that you are taking and guide you accordingly. This is Dr. Jayanti Ravindran from Tamira Plastic Surgery.